Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, my today's video is very creative and very unique because in this video I'll be sharing very beautiful and unique ideas, that's 7 creative DIY ideas how you can make different type of things by using hand embroidery patterns or hand embroidery stitches. First of all, see this, that very beautiful designing of sweater designings have been shown. You can use the art of hand embroidery to make your sweaters more attractive, beautiful, and eye-catching. And by sweater I mean any type of hand knitted or woolen material stuff. So secondly, you can do very beautiful hoop art, and you can make your hats very beautiful by making hand embroidery patterns onto it, like you have been shown a very beautiful design. And you can create very beautiful artistic real life nature inspired events by using the art of hand embroidery. And you can use these hoop arts, or you can say embroidery kits, to decorate your home. And you can make embroidery patterns for the designing of your baby clothes, warm knitted handmade baby clothes. And you can make very beautiful birds embroidery onto your baby's clothes. And handmade bags, pouches, clutches could also be decorated by using these very beautiful hand embroidery patterns. And you can make a very beautiful and creative artistic entire decoration onto your kitchen accessories. And you can make overall full jar style hand embroidery patterns for your cushion covers, pillow covers, and even you can make these embroidery motifs onto your dress designings. And not only this friends, you can make many more beautiful and creative things by using the art of hand embroidery. That is, you can design your table covers, table mats, dining table covers. And not only this, you can make very beautiful baby bonnets with the hand embroidery design patterns as have been shown. And you can make all over embroidery designs for making very beautiful dresses, and by using very beautiful patterns. You can use these exactly color combinations, and you can make these very beautiful vegetable style vegetable embroidery onto your kitchen accessories like table covers, the vegetable cutting tables, or the shelves of your kitchens, and much more like baby bonnets, face masks, and the type of requirements you have. So thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed, stay connected. We will soon be back with you along with some new designs and new ideas. Up till then, take care. Goodbye.